Have you heard the news? A huge project is slowly being built in the town of Bulacan, in the province of Bulacan. This is called the New Manila International Airport, or NMIA. Imagine a brand new airport that's not just an airport but a mega hub that will be one of the biggest in all of Southeast Asia. This project, led by San Miguel Corporation, is a dream many Filipinos have wished for a long time. This will be the Philippines' new gateway to the world, a symbol of our progress and modernity. Its cost? It will reach over 735 billion pesos. Truly a giant step for our country. The construction of the airport building itself, or the passenger terminal, is set to begin in January of 2026. According to the plan, the first part of it is expected to open and be ready for use by the end of 2028. Even with a slight delay from the original target of 2027, preparations are still ongoing. Currently, land development, or leveling the ground where it will be built, is in full swing. A vast 2,500 hectares of land, formerly part of Manila Bay, is becoming the foundation for this enormous structure. The wait will be worth it when we see the fruit of all the hard work and effort. Who is behind this project? San Miguel Aerosity Inc., a company under the well-known San Miguel Corporation, is funding, building, and will manage the airport for 50 years. This is an agreement between them and the Philippine government called Build, Operate, Transfer. This means that after 50 years, the airport will be transferred to the government's management. This is a public-private partnership, or PPP, where the private sector and the government work together for a large project that benefits everyone. This type of partnership is important to make such large projects happen. This project is not just about building a structure, it's about creating an aerocity, or a city that revolves around the airport. It will have roads, bridges, and other infrastructure to support it. Its location in Bulacan is strategic because it's close to Metro Manila but far enough to have space for widespread development. For the people of Bulacan and neighboring provinces, this is a great blessing that will bring many opportunities. Truly a project not just for travelers, but for the development of the entire region and the country. What will the new airport look like and how big will it be? In its first phase alone, it can serve 35 million passengers per year. This is a big help to immediately ease the crowding at our current airport. Its design is modern and futuristic, with 5 wings for the terminal building. It's not just good to look at, but also practical for the quick movement of people and planes. Every detail has been well thought out to make the experience world-class for every traveler, Filipino or foreigner. When it comes to full completion, or when all parts are finished, it will get even bigger. It will have 4 parallel runways. This means 4 planes can take off, or land at the same time. This will greatly speed up air traffic flow and reduce flight delays that we often experience. Its capacity will reach 100 million passengers per year. Just imagine. That's almost equal to the entire population of the Philippines. It will also have approximately 240 boarding gates, so more flights can be accommodated. The size of the airport itself, 2,500 hectares, is hard to imagine. To give us an idea, it's even bigger than the combined size of Makati City and Taguig. Because of this vastness, there will be no problem with space for planes, parking, and other facilities. It is designed not only for our current needs, but also for future generations. Having such a large airport will put the Philippines on the map as a major aviation hub in the region, capable of competing with airports in Singapore and Hong Kong. The design of the NMIA is not just about steel and concrete. Being green and sustainable was also considered. There are plans for using renewable energy, effective water management, and maintaining green spaces within the aerocity. Its goal is to be an airport that is not only efficient and modern, but also environmentally responsible. This is an airport we can be proud of, not only because of its size and beauty, but also because of its environmentally friendly nature. Truly, an airport for the future in all aspects. Why do we need a new airport? The answer is simple. Our main airport, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or NAIA, is extremely crowded. NAIA was designed for only 30 million passengers per year, but currently, over 45 million pass through it. This is why we often experience long queues, crowding inside the terminal, and delayed flights. The NMIA is the solution to this long-standing problem. With its opening, the burden on NAIA will be lessened, and travel will be more comfortable for everyone. The opening of NMIA will also create a lot of jobs. According to San Miguel Corporation, it is expected to create over 1 million jobs for Filipinos. This is not just during construction, but also when it starts operating. From pilots and cabin crew, ground staff, engineers, maintenance personnel, to those working in shops and restaurants inside the airport. This is a great help to our economy and will provide a good livelihood for many Filipino families, especially those in central Luzon. How can we get to the new airport in Bulacan? Don't worry, because the plan includes building new roads and train lines to make travel easy. There's a plan to extend the MRT 7 line so it reaches NMIA directly. In addition, 21 new access roads and expressways will also be built, including an 8-kilometer road from the North Luzon Expressway. These projects will not only make it easier to get to the airport, but will also ease traffic flow in nearby areas. For travelers, NMIA means a better experience. Fewer delays, more flight choices, and more modern facilities. We no longer have to endure crowding and inconvenience. For the country, having a world-class gateway will attract more tourists and investors. This will boost our tourism and trade. NMIA is not just an airport, it is a machine that will drive the development of the Philippines and provide comfort to millions of traveling Filipinos. Like all big projects, the beginning was not easy for NMIA. One of the biggest challenges it faced was the delay in land reclamation, or filling the land. This was due to a shortage of sand to be used for leveling the ground where it would be built. There was an order from the president in 2023 that temporarily stopped all reclamation projects in Manila Bay, which affected the sand supply for the project. This delay caused the target opening to be pushed back by 1 year, from 2027 to 2028. Because of these challenges, the project cost also increased. The lack of sand and the need to find other sources added hundreds of millions of dollars to the total cost. However, despite these challenges, San Miguel Corporation remains firm in its commitment to continue and complete the airport. Such challenges are normal for projects of this size and importance. What matters is finding solutions and not giving up on the goal of providing the Philippines with an airport that can be proudly presented to the world. Despite the obstacles, the future remains bright for the new Manila International Airport. Currently, land development is progressing, and it is expected to be completed by 2026, along with the start of terminal construction. The government, through the Department of Transportation, is closely coordinating with San Miguel Corporation to ensure the smooth progress of the project. This cooperation between the government and the private sector is key to overcoming any challenges that may arise. In the end, the new Manila International Airport is more than just a structure. It is a symbol of hope, resurgence, and the dream of the Filipino people. It is a legacy we will leave for future generations, an airport that will open doors to more opportunities, connect us to the world, and prove the Filipinos' ability to dream big and make it happen. As we await its opening in 2028, let's all look forward to our dreams taking flight from its new home in Bulacan.